My name is Jonathan Trans, chairman of ACB. I've been chairman for 6 years, so it's relatively new compared to this amazing guys on stage here. So I come from Asia Commercial Bank, which is a retail leading banks in Vietnam. So we have 367 branches across the country, really focused on retail, and that's our core strength. And we're very excited to be here. Talking with all you guys. Let me share a real life example here. So in Vietnam, you can actually order a big screen TV and a dishwashing machine, have it both delivered and installed in 2 hours. Even Amazon
2
cannot.
hours?
2 hours, yeah. Even Amazon cannot do that. And this is not from rocket science at all. This is actually a seamless integration of online and offline activities and infrastructure. This is actually using not a smartphone, but the old tech phone and motorbike. We have a 30 million motorbike, so leveraging that infrastructure with the technology is very powerful. So for us, innovative transformation is really trying to think of a way to leapfrog the technology, not copying it from other markets, from developed markets. And the current state of place, I think, is prime time for innovation to springboard for the next.